This is Kevin. I am a strategist at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video, we're going to be discussing resources, specifically the cases or rep work module within the Sitefinity CMS. To access the cases module from the dashboard, we'll click on content and then cases under work and recognition. This will bring up a listing of all cases on our Sitefinity CMS. To edit an existing case, we would click on the title of a case, or to create a new case, we would click the Create a Case button. This will bring up the input dialog page where we will input all the relevant case information. We'll start with a title. In this case, Test Case Study Newest. Summary would be a brief description used on the listing page to entice users to click on and read the full case study. It is optional. If you leave it off, it's going to display the first couple hundred characters from the main content area. In the main content area, I'm going to just paste some lorem ipsum, but you would want to put in your case overview or your whole case right up here. And because this is a rich text editor box, you could bold some text, italicize, play with the alignment, however you like. Next would be the featured item, which is if you want this to remain at the top of your listing pages or be shown on your home page, if there is an option for that on your website. Again, optional to click or not. Next would be some case details. For instance, you could select the date this case was completed on. We can select, we finished this one up on July 31st, let's say. Or you could click Still Ongoing. Under client name, it could be, in this instance, we'll put Courtney Dennis. And matter number would be like a case number, which I happen to have one kind of handy. Oops. There's my case number. And the external link would be to my Canadian legal literature website. Next would be currency label, and we'll say we're dealing with Canadian dollars here. And the settlement amount numeric representation. Here we'd want to type in the numerical $1 million. It's a big case. And under word representation, we would have to actually write out 1 million. Now, these again are optional, but they will help if your case page had the option to filter by settlement amount. This will, of course, help the case show up when filtered appropriately. Under related content, we just like in with any other content we create within Sitefinity CMS, we can relate it to other content like a team member. In this case, we'll link it to Alder Brutus Concrete, and we're going to select related expertise as top level expertise 1 and related sector as our test sector 4. Under related media, we can choose an image to associate with this casework. I'm just going to do it from my existing test library. I'm going to pick the water splash image. Related documents would be if you had, let's say, a PDF version of this casework that you wanted to make available for download, you would select it here. And then, of course, we also have full control over our meta tags or search engine optimization. Again, optional, and we're going to skip that part for now. Under classification, we can choose some categories to place this casework in and tags. And this will, of course, help Sitefinity recommend other content that is associated with those same tags or categories. Now I'm going to hit Save as Draft so we can preview our work. And there's the image I selected. There's my title. The date would be today, the date we're publishing this. There's the author or related team member I associated with this case study. The main content I added. The related document I made available for download. And of course, there's Alder again, who I selected as my related team member. And my related services, industry, and other cases based on those tags and categories that I selected. I'm just going to close this preview page, go back to the input dialog page, and I'm going to hit publish. So it saves it and makes this case work live. Now I'm just going to go back to the front end of my website and refresh the cases page. And I'll be able to show you. There's our newest case study. And if I click on it, again, you'll see the image, the title, Alder, the author or related team member, main content, my document for download, and then related services, related industries, and related cases. Now I just want to show you how Sitefinity automatically creates interlinking content, and I'm going to click on Alder's bio, and I'm going to scroll down to related cases, and you'll see that my new case study has automatically been added in here. And again, if I click on that, you'll see Alder, go back to Alder, and again, you see the newest case study. And that is how we create or add a new case using the Sitefinity CMS.